Hey guys, so today I'm going to be just showing you what my makeup room slash beauty room slash studio slash whatever this is. I kind of just wanted to document what this room looked like before. That way I can kind of look and admire, like, hopefully how great my room looks in the after. I wanted to show you what I've been working with for the last like year or so. I used to have this set up in one of my downstairs rooms, but I moved it to my bonus room just to have some more space for backdrops and all that stuff, and just kind of not be so close to the other rooms in the house when I'm like talking to myself and stuff. So my mom's about to be here. She's gonna help me paint these walls. They're blue right now. We're gonna do like a white color, but this is kind of what it looks like now. Philip, get out.
I need I need a favor.
What is it?
I need to borrow your car.
No.
Yes.
Why? Look, I'm extremely busy, so you're welcome to get my keys out of my purse, but don't talk to me while you do it.
Where's your purse?
Up here. All this stuff is about to go to the center of the room because we're going to paint, so this is all about to be a mess, so I really didn't clean it up and make it cute like I normally have it, but this is the general gist of it. So this is kind of my work area. This is where I try to get shit done. This is going to be my vision board. It has just not made its way to my wall yet. I have a little cuddly blankie because I always have to have a blanket. My fiance also got me like a Snuggie blanket. It has like sleeves and it's amazing. I got this desk from a lady on Craigslist actually. It's super cute, but I don't like it because it's not good for giants. When I'm sitting under here, it's not comfortable for my legs. I feel trapped under here. I'm too big of a person for this. This is my iMac. This is what I do all my editing and stuff on. Let me turn on some lights. Jesus Christ. It might look super vain, but I just switched my background to this picture, which was my last special effects look that I did just as some inspo, kind of get me motivated to like do shit, get my life together. What is this? Only I would make a to-do list of what I want to buy from Ulta. I haven't been kind of working and filming up here and doing what I need to do for a while, so everything's a little dusty, but we're going to take care of that. I'm going to make this space a kind of workable area that I want to work in, and we're going to just make shit happen. So it's just my keyboard, comes with the iMac. Same thing with the mouse. I did buy this mouse pad off of Amazon. It's like a acrylic thing. I got my Make It Happen book. I actually found this in my desk drawer the other day, and it had video ideas in it that I wrote 2 years ago. Or maybe 3, I don't fucking know, but I might still use those. This is where I keep all my memory cards, right in here. I've got my cute little, it's hard to see, but I got a picture of my fiance and my sweet little puppy. This is a oil diffuser that I love, and these are just some decor that I bought for this little ledge here that I can see when I'm editing and stuff. My niece actually made this for me. It's like a Starbucks cup, but it's a candle. I'll never burn it because this is too freaking cute, but isn't that precious? So I got my M for Michelle, my K for my last name that I'll have hopefully soon, Kelly. I've got some super ancient pictures of me and my fiance. That's around my 21st birthday, so that's been a long time. To the left of my desk is, these are all empties, okay? I always like to film empty videos, so I kind of keep everything except for hair and body care. So anything makeup or skincare related empties all just get shoved here. These are all my special effects props, and this is my special effects kind of shelf. Some stuff is just decoration, some stuff is props, some stuff is the actual makeup. Down here you have some wigs, brushes, special effects paints, and like glitters and stuff. I have some body art hairspray. I have a bunch of lashes. I have a bunch of contacts and stuff. I have some glitters. And this is all just the basic stuff that you need for special effects. You got your toilet paper, your makeup sponges, your cotton swabs, your acrylic nails. You have your Instamorph, glue stick, gelatin, fake blood, scab blood, wax, liquid latex, more blood, and then I have a bunch of bald caps here. This right now is my current filming setup. It's messy because I just filmed like a quick little like no foundation look. I have 2 softbox here, a ring light. This is my camera that I use. I have my C-stand with a hair light. I have a backdrop holder. I have my little light back here that lights up my backdrops. And this is just my filming table. I put one of those like car reflecting things for your windshield. I just put it on top. That way it will help reflect light back up to my face. My fiance got me a light up mirror, which is nice. Then I have my necessary like chill area. It's nice because my dog and Philip will come up here and chill, or sometimes when I just want to like kind of hang out on my own, I'll come up here. It's a super cozy couch. It's not anything that I bought for this area. We actually have the other half of this couch in my living room. So this will eventually go away, but it's up here for now. Just have a coffee table. Obviously, life is better with a dog. There's always going to be tons of wires everywhere. That's just part of the studio. Got another tripod and a iron board. I got a random corner with like just some flowers that don't even match the whole room, and just a bunch of like perfume samples and other perfumes and stuff that I never use. So yeah, so this is my vanity that I've had for a few years now. Me and my fiance just kind of got some stuff from Lowe's, put it together with these two shelves that I bought from Michael's art store. We put on the legs, we put the tabletop. I do have glass pieces on top of this and also on top of my desk. I'm not going to go into makeup storage, anything like that right now, because it is not how I like it to be. It has to be organized. Everything is just overflowing and ridiculous right now. This is a little rolling caddy, which is really helpful. I actually used to just film on this, but now I've upgraded a little bit. These are my camera bags that I kind of keep my cameras in and all the accessories that go with it. These are more camera accessories in here. And this is just more stuff shoved into a corner. This is my massage table that I use to put makeup on people. This is my yoga ball because, you know, hashtag healthy. And this is just some stuff that I've had in the corner that I bought for my room that I never really got to kind of put together, which will hopefully I will be able to. It's a bonus room, so it kind of has these like weird walls. So I'm not sure how it's going to look once it's all white, but we will find out. I probably won't do the same shade of white that there is on the ceiling and the trim on the walls, just so it's broken up like the tiniest bit, but it's still going to be pretty much white. And the room does have these like doors because it's a bonus room, so this is all storage. And then I have my lipstick skateboard, or salon board actually, because everybody needs one of those. I really want to put this on my wall. I've just never had a chance to do it. I bought this online like forever ago. I can't remember from where, but it's pretty cool. But this, you guys, is my unofficial but official, because this is all I got right now, studio room tour. This is it. This is what I have been working with. I'm not the type of person to really decorate my house because I change my style and what I like so often. I hate committing to things. I almost had like 2 mental breakdowns yesterday, the thought of painting these walls, because I actually love the color of the walls. Blue is my favorite color, so it really pains me to have to paint them, but I'm scared that the blue color is affecting the kind of color hue when I'm filming. And if I were to decorate this room up here, the color of the walls wouldn't work at all. Please stay tuned for future updates of this room, which will hopefully happen in the near future. My arms get tired. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.